Okay, this is the analog multimeter that I just bought from Home Depot. It's from Sperry, and right now the machine is off. Here is the blade over here. You can see I just turned it. Now what I have to keep in mind is that I can never measure the voltage directly from the batteries with this setting and the amp position. Now, right now, it is in the 50 milliamp DC setting, so the furthest line on the meter would be the 50 milliamp setting. As you can see, you can hardly see any movement. Now, right now you hear the speed of the fan. What happens when we change the setting to a higher milliamp setting? Obviously, you should not see any movement of the line because now we're at a higher setting, so each line represents more milliamps. Now listen to the speed of the fan drop when we drop to this setting. Okay? You see the setting, it dropped. Okay. Next one, back to where it was. Now up. Now down again. You hear it slow down. Back up. So apparently this is not neutral to the operation of the motor. The lowest setting, which is the 0.5 milliamp setting. I plan to go to Altex today to get a multimeter that would have the range I want, but they're closed today, so I figured, okay, I'm just going to buy something from the Home Depot. And I got this, and it turns out that, well, it doesn't get quite what I want. But I'll keep this meter just in case I need to do something else. Now, watch as I look at the digital multimeter, which is connected in series with this multimeter, the analog. Alright. Right now we have it at the 50 milliamp DC setting, and we're measuring from here to here. On the digital multimeter, we read from 0.05 down to 0.0. In here, again, nothing. Now, watch the fan drop in RPM as we switch the dial to here. You see, it's not neutral to the operation of the motor. And you see we are drawing from 0.03 down to 0.01 amps. Now, we go up. So what is neat about this multimeter, even though it doesn't really display the readings I need to see, we still have something of use. This acts like a switch. So, it's for different speed settings. We've got the high setting right now, because we got it at this thing here. It goes from 0 to 0.05. And let's see if there's any difference here. Well, here's 0.05, 0.0. So, but the big difference is down here. As we can see, this is sort of neat. It actually is like a switch. And it's still running, it's still drawing current. Now we go up again. So it's like we doubled the power, not its intended use. Now let's check out the voltage we have right now on the digital multimeter. I'm going to try to pull it, break the circuit at the black prong first, because I don't want to damage the multimeter on the the yellow analog multimeter. Pull this out, and I'll plug this in. And then I'm going to take this black prong and stretch it all the way over here. And we have 262 volts. That's what we got. Alright?